All right, let's look at an interquartile range, and this is our data set here. So on Desmos, you are going to click on this keyboard button. So normally it's just down here, sort of hidden at the bottom left. You're going to click that and then click on functions. And then you're going to go down to stats. I mean, it's not very far down. And I'm just going to click on stats. So, all right. So keyboard, button, functions, and then stats. Okay. Now, inside that parentheses, we need a bracket. So that is, on your keyboard, on mine, it's right next to the letter P. So you just want the squared off bracket inside the parentheses. And I'm going to type in all this data. So 3, comma 7, comma 21, 18, and 4. And I always want to make sure that I have the same number of pieces of data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, all good. Okay, so now the next thing I need to do is think about that the interquartile range is simply quartile 3 minus quartile 1. That's it. Like it's nothing more than that. So it is, let me type it up here for you so you can see it. Q3 minus Q1, not A1. All right. So that means that we're going to do 19.5. And you're on a calculator, you might as well use it. Minus quartile 1 is 3.5. And when I type that in, I know it's kind of covered up. 16. The interquartile range for this data is 16. That's it. Short and sweet. Hope that helps you.